Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited to share with you a delicious and budget-friendly meal that won't break the bank. Whether you're a student on a tight budget or just looking to save money on groceries, this eggplant and potato curry will satisfy your taste buds without sacrificing flavor. So let's dive into this easy and affordable recipe. To start, add in a 1/4 cup of sunflower oil to a deep base pot on high heat. Then add in 2 onions finely sliced. Once the onions have browned, lower the heat to medium heat and add in 1/2 teaspoon of rough salt. Also add in 2 teaspoons of red chilli powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 chopped tomatoes, and then mix this all together. Once you've done that, add in 2 medium potatoes cubed, mix again, add in 1/2 cup of water and allow the potatoes to soften. This will cook for about 15 minutes. Once the potatoes have softened, add in 500 grams of eggplant washed and cut into quarters. Leave this to simmer for 10 minutes until the eggplant changes color. To serve, plate into a serving bowl and then garnish this with some coriander leaves. You should serve this with any type of flatbread. Enjoy, and don't forget to connect with me on my social media pages by clicking on the link on my profile. Until the next vlog, happy cooking!